Ano po, may certification na po si Attorney Laila May Estabillo na sinabit po sa amin na hindi po niya ina-acknowledge yung board resolution na yan. At hindi po namin po lagda yung mga nakikita po dun sa board resolution October 25, 2019.
Anyway, do you have a copy of that certification coming from the notary public that
Yes, Mr. Chair.
please submit this that document to this committee?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, can we ask the COMSEC to secure the copy of the certification from the notary public in the person of Attorney Estabillo? Please. Okay. Now, so you denied that walang nangyaring board meeting or board resolution.
Hindi po kami humarap
So, in
sa
short-
Notary Public at hindi po namin lagda yung nasa board resolution dated October 25, 2019. At may sarili po kaming mga abogado.
Okay. No. I'm just asking you about the truthfulness of this document. So you deny your signature here. So
Yes.
in
Yes.
short, this is not your signature.
That's not our signature, Mr.
Okay.
Chair.
Okay, balikan kita mamaya, ma'am. Attorney Harry Roque, because this board resolution is all about the lease agreement, the authority that was given to, allegedly, to Roberto Cruz. Are you familiar with this board resolution?
No, Your Honor, because we entered the case after the...
No. I'm not talking about the case. I am talking about this document that will be the basis for the lease agreement.
Well, I am not familiar with because precisely we entered the case after there was already a judgment.
No, again, due diligence. You have to check if indeed what is the basis for Roberto Cruz to represent the corporation for a lease agreement.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
our theory in the annulment case is that Whirlwind was not even informed about the existence of the ejectment case. And that is why it was a petition for annulment of judgment based on fraud. We were alleging that it was Roberto Cruz who got the lawyer and kept the fact that there was already a complaint for ejectment from Whirlwind. So they only found out that there was already a judgment against them when there was already a writ of execution issued against them.
When was that?
Well, we filed the case po in August. So
To what?
August of 2023. So a few weeks before August was when they found out that there was already a writ of execution.
So you started lawyering for Whirlwind when?
August po of,
August of-
2023. Tama ba 2023? Dahil yun nga po, nag-file kami ng motion to recall writ of execution sa RTC of Angeles po.
Okay, now you're familiar now.
Yes po, yes po.
The background of such case. Okay?
Only...
Kasi ito, Attorney Harry Roque. Ito kasi, well, in fact, kahit itong board resolution, kaya sinasabi kong fake talaga to. Kasi, the board resolution was made October 25, 2019. And it is a document that was presented during the hearing sa Kapitolyo. Tama? Tama po?
Yes, Mr.
Okay.
Chair.
Now, but the lease contract, Mascareñas, sagutin mo to mamaya. But the lease contract was dated 25 July 2019. Mas nauna po ang lease contract kaysa board resolution. Now, Ms. Materna, I will not ask Attorney Harry Roque because sabi niya nga, August of 2023 lang siya pumasok. Ms. Materna, do you confirm that you are the one that signed this document? Ano, Ms. Mascareñas? Do you confirm?
Kung yan po yung pinakita sa akin kanina, yes, ako po.
Kinonfirm mo?
May I see? Just to be, ano po.
Chairman, can we ask the COMSEC?
Ako po nagpirma nito.
So, ikaw yung pumirma.
Yes, Mr.
Tama,
Chair.
for on
Opo.
behalf of the Whirlwind.
Opo. Whirlwind po.
Whirlwind. Now, Miss Baterna, you signed it on...
Mascareñas po.
Sorry. Miss Mascareñas, you signed it 25th July 2019.
Opo.
But, kahit sabihin mo pa na ito ay hindi fake, nauna pa po yung lease agreement kaysa board resolution.
To be honest po, hindi nga po ako masyado aware dyan sa board resolution.
Why you sign? Alam mo naman korporasyon yun. And who told you to sign it?
Ang kausap ko po si
Kasandaong na
Mr.
naman.
Roberto Cruz po.
Si Cassandra Ong during the time nandiyan na sa kumpanya?
Ano po?
Si Cassandra Ong ba during the time nasa kumpanya na?
Ang alam ko po, nandyan na siya.
Oh, who told you to sign this document?
Mr. Cruz po.
And
Mr. Roberto Cruz po.
No, you're representing Whirlwind.
Opo.
O, sino sa Whirlwind? Ano
Si-
bigay sa'yo ng order o authority to sign?
Ang kausap ko lang naman po sa Whirlwind is my boss po, si Mr. Wu.
O, saan na siya ngayon? Nagtatago
Wala na
na.
po kung alam. Kasi since 2019 lang po talaga ako.
Sorry?
I was at the company until December 30 of 2019.
Hindi, but
Afterwards
we're talking about July 25. Ikaw na nag-sign, confirm mo na, di ba?
July or akala po October.
Ang October is the board resolution, a numbered board resolution. Yung lease agreement o contract is 25th July.
Okay po.
Oh, sino nagguto sa'yo?
Si Mr. Wu po.
Oh, si Mr.
Kasi
Wong.
if I'm not mistaken, kasi gusto po nilang i-rent or i-occupy yung place.
Hindi, is siya Pilipino?
No.
O, saan na siya
It's
ngayon?
either he's Chinese or Taiwanese.
Saan na siya ngayon?
I'm not sure. Kasi po, Mr. Chair, I am not connected with the company until 2019 lang talaga ako.
Mr. Chairman, have we invited a certain Mr. Ong? A certain
Mr. Wu.
Hindi
Mr.
ba to
Wu.
Willie Ong?
Mr. Wu po. Wu.
Wong. Mr. Wong.
Wu.
Mr. Wu.
Mr. Wo.
W-U.
W. Kaso sa
W.
Chinese po kasi
Invited
Wu ang
Have we
bigkas.
invited Mr. Wo?
Duan Ren Wu po.
Well, we
Yes,
invited the incorporators of both Lucky South 99, Whirlwind Corporation, and Zun Yuan Corporation, and Baofu. Yes.
Anyway, Ms. Mascareñas, eto nga po, you signed it, but the board reso was October. 2 months after, etong reso sa kontrata.
Ang alam ko po, may problema yung unang pinirmahan namin kasi si Mr. Cruz lang po yung nagpirma, which is supposedly, dapat po kasama yung family niya.
Ba't pinirmahan mo?
Wala po akong idea na meron po silang dispute or problem within the family.
Anyway, for now, Mr. Chairman, itigil ko muna yung pagtatanong kay Ms. Mascareñas kasi may kasunod pa to, yung lease agreement na in which pumasok na si Atty. Harry Roque. Yung sub-lease agreement na dalawa. Gusto mo? Anyway, Miss Cruz, yung nanay mo ba buhay pa?
Opo.
Why is not present today? Why she's not present?
Nahirapan po siya maglakad.
The same as
Mr.
your father.
Chair.
Yung father mo.
Pa,
Yung tatay mo, ba't wala dito ngayon?
hindi po kami nagkikita at wala po kami ng komunikasyon.
Wala kayong communication. So
Mr.
your
Chair.
mother stays with you.
Magkasama po sila ni Froy
Ang
sa
kapatid
isang
niya.
bahay.
Ang kapatid mo.
Opo.
Anyway, Mr. Chairman,
Mr.
for now, yan lang muna.
Congressman Gonzales, you are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.